All right, guys. So we got this 2020 GT Mustang. This is the original exhaust system that came on it that we just took off. As you guys can see right there. There's the resonator. It's all true dual system all the way back. There's the rear two mufflers. And we're gonna install a CORSA system double X pipe. As you guys can see, there's the first X pipe. There's the second X pipe. Then it goes out and it's all a 3-inch system compared to the 2.25 that comes on, or 2.5 that comes on them. There's the two mufflers. There's the beautiful tips. There and there. As you guys can see, came out really nice, old mandrel bent. We'll let you guys hear it and see it in a second. There's that Mustang sitting on the lift. And like always, guys, subscribe. All right, guys, we have a correction. It's a 2021 Ford Mustang Coyote 5.0 GT. What else? White. It's got 4 wheels. Anyways, what we got done on it now. So we showed you the two systems, comparison between each other. So it's got factory converters there and there. Then we put the CORSA double X pipes kit. We'll get you guys a link in the description. I'll see if he has a picture of it. And we'll put, so we can find you guys a link. It's got the double X pipe for severe exhaust scavenge reduction all the way back. And then there's the CORSA mufflers there and there. I'm surprised they didn't even stamp the CORSA on them. That's crazy. Anyways, it's a 3-inch system. And then he's got the quad tips out the back, 4-inch on each side. Just completes the look. They do have CORSA on top of them. I'll show it to you guys in a second. There and there. And there's that whole huge system that we just took off, unbolted. There's the resonator and the two mufflers and tips right there and right there. And like always, guys, please comment, like, subscribe, and share because you care. See? Woo! That's that CORSA, baby. Man, that sounds beautiful. Listen to that scream. Your sound decibels? There we go. That's the nice thing about CORSA. The more you step on it, the louder it gets. But it's crazy how nice it sounds. I like it. I'll always like the CORSA. They're expensive, but they're worth the money if you got it. Just a piece of advice. And the drone is very minimal inside. The double X pipe makes a huge difference. You just hear straight exhaust, no raspiness. Again. Again. One more. Let you guys hear on the inside. Mustang. He just bought it. It's only got 600 miles on it, guys. Bought a system right away, brought it to us. My kind of guy. I'm the same way. It's the CORSA Extreme. Not the Sport, just the Extreme.